It is so gratifying that we are able to be here today, because a few weeks ago, in the middle of the Kenyan crisis, His Excellency came to see me and he put forward a question. Should we postpone the Bastille Day or should it go on? And I told him, do not postpone it. Let it go on. Today I stand here to salute him and to salute all of you as diplomats here, because during that moment, by him agreeing that it shall proceed, it was a serious message of solidarity with the people of Kenya. Had it been deferred, then the signals would have been different. There would have been signals of either a lack of confidence in the country or a signal that can generate panic and make us lose some of the companies that are employing 36,000 people in Kenya today. So on that note, Your Excellency, on behalf of the people of Kenya, on behalf of the President of the Republic of Kenya, let me say that we truly appreciate the firm decision and your commitment to proceed with the Bastille Day celebrations. It is, of course, a challenging time for the Kenyan people and also for so many other countries that are here. What will be important is how we emerge out of the crisis. Kenya has been fairly resilient under difficult circumstances, and I will quickly just flag a few landmarks in the past that have shaken the foundations of Kenya, but we have always emerged out of these challenges. There was the 1969 crisis after the assassination of Tom Mboya. There was the crisis after the assassination of J.M. Kariuki. We had a crisis when we were emerging out of the single-party regime to a multi-party regime. We had the 1982 attempted coup, where a lot of people also lost their lives. We then had the 2005 referendum, which was also very, very divisive. We then had an opportunity under President Kibaki after the elections to emerge out of a deeper crisis where Kenya lost 1,400 citizens. We had our crisis in the build-up to the last elections. We also what happened at the Bomas. Indeed, some of you as observers had to be evacuated from that center. We then have had a situation where Kenya became the first country where a presidential election has been nullified. But we still came out of it and went for a fresh election, and we emerged stronger. So we have had a moment where our young people have also expressed themselves on how they know best. And I want to tell you the government of Kenya has listened, and it has initiated processes of tackling some of the concerns that they did raise. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to stand here to really salute you and to assure you that we are determined to walk the straight and narrow. It may not be easy, and there are still more challenges to come ahead, but I want to assure you we shall emerge stronger and more positive as a united nation. Notably, the involvement of French firms in major infrastructure projects, such as the upgrading of the Nairobi commuter railway and other urban infrastructure, has been instrumental in enhancing our connectivity and boosting economic activities. These projects not only create jobs, but also foster the transfer of technology and skills, further strengthening our economic base. French development assistance has been crucial in areas such as health, water, and sanitation, and environmental conservation. The projects funded by the French Development Agency, AFD, have had a profound impact on our communities, contributing to sustainable development and poverty reduction. Our collaboration in the health sector, particularly in combating diseases and improving maternal and child health, has been exemplary. France's support during the COVID-19 pandemic is a testament to the strength of our partnership and our shared commitment to global health security. Furthermore, Kenya and France are both firmly devoted to environmental protection and confronting the plights of climate change. Our countries have collaborated on various environmental initiatives, including the preservation of biodiversity and the promotion of sustainable energy solutions. Kenya's ambitious goal to achieve 100% renewable energy by 2030 aligns with France's leadership in advocating for global climate action. Our partnership in this area is critical as we work together to adapt and mitigate the impacts of climate change and protect our planet for future generations.